Hi, I'm Kimberly Jolly from Fat Quarter Shop, and today we'll be unboxing the January 2021 Sew Sampler box. We're bringing in the new year with sweater weather, and we're featuring Moda fabrics. So let's take a look at our box. The January 2021 box includes the full cider honey bun by Basic Gray, and it's the largest honey bun we've ever included. We're including really nice, long and sharp pins that you can iron over. They're made by Gypsy Quilter and they're brand new. And this beautiful color matches cider, and the color is exclusive to Fat Quarter Shop. And in the box, we're including a 3-pack sampler of SEWTITES. They're great magnets to use to hold thick fabrics together or for English paper piecing. We're going to start off our year being able to clean our mat. This cleaner will get all the threads and dirt off of your mat. Try it and you will love it. It's exclusive to Fat Quarter Shop. You're going to love our Fast and Flurrious quilt pattern. We've got 2 size options, so you can either make a long farmhouse table runner or a throw size. So we're moving and grooving, and we're on track 10 for our greatest hits quilt. We hope you love January 2021 Sew Sampler box, and join us again for our February unboxing. See you then.